Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a pretty big crafty Dollar Tree haul today. I found a store that had a lot of crafter square stuff that I've been looking for and wanting to have, and I'm so excited that I found it. So let's go ahead and jump in and share with you what I got. So I'm first going to start with these chopping mats. These are things I use quite often in my crafting to kind of protect the surface of my table. So I did pick up quite a few just because they're hit and miss on whether or not you find them. So when I do find them, I typically pick up a couple because I use them and then they get dirty and I need to replace them. So, and I also do use them for my ribbons and things. I cut them and they're cuttable. You can cut them with just a regular cutting knife. And then I basically wrap my ribbons and stuff around it. So I had some new ribbons come in from all the Etsy shops that I've been doing, and I needed some additional ones. So I did buy quite a few of them. I also picked up a couple more of these button bags that I get often. I like to pick these up when I find them just because, again, they're kind of a hit and miss thing. So I do find myself using them quite a bit for different projects. So, and they do get kind of beat up, and if my cat gets into them, he completely rips them up because he loves plastic. So I do like to buy extras. So I bought a couple of these necklaces, and you're probably thinking, well, that's not a crafty thing, but I actually think I'm going to try to put this, it's kind of thick, so I don't know if I'm going to work it, but I just love this little cherry thing. I have my cherry planner layout. I don't know, I thought I could try to use it somehow in this book, but I don't know, it might not work. Maybe just dangle it from the thing or something. I don't know. I just kind of thought I would be able to use it. So I'm going to try to figure out a way to potentially use it in that. And then I bought this rainbow one because I'm doing some bright rainbowy kind of spreads next month. So I thought that I would buy this and see if I could use it in one of those layouts. So that's why I bought these. I bought some pretty pink scissors with flowers on them because I needed another pair of scissors. Just gonna leave that aside. I didn't really need another pair of scissors, but shh, we won't tell anybody. And then I bought this correction pen. I've seen it there a couple times, and I was like, I'm gonna try this because sometimes the little paper or the other whiteout that I have, it's a little bit too thick, and sometimes you just need a little tiny bit. So I'm going to try that out. This is not crafty, but I threw it in here because I forgot to put in the other one. They had some hand sanitizer. This one is sweet pea scented. Sweet pea scented. Oh, yeah, it smells nice. I guess I'll just use it right now. Yeah, so they had a couple of different ones. They had like a sloth, and then they had a little cat one, and I just really liked the little heart one, so I picked that one up for me. I also picked up this little headband thing, and the reason that I picked this up, I'm going to show you right now. I thought that it would make a really cute planner thingy. So I was thinking I could put it in my planner like this and then have it like that. Look how cute that looks. So that's why I bought that, to decorate the front of my planner with. I bought that. And then I bought a bunch of these pads. I like the ones that say like scriptures and stuff on it, so I bought a couple of more of these. I put these in my gift box along with tissue paper when I find really pretty tissue paper. I really think that's super pretty. So I bought these just to kind of give away as gifts if I, you know, and then sometimes I pull them out, use them myself. And then I put these on my refrigerator, like that one. It's cute. I like to take notes of my shopping list. And then I really liked this little gingham one. It's very simple. I like the simplicity of it. So yeah, I got a couple of new adult coloring books, and I'm really think these are super pretty. Look how cute that one is. I don't really color in these. I just use them for the decor piece. Like, I did my top 10 of 5 junk journal layouts, and one of them was or something. I can't remember exactly what it was, but I when I was going through that, I saw that I remembered that I had used a couple of these in there, and I really liked how that looked. So when I found more, I was really excited to find more. So I really like that one. And then this one, there's a couple in here that really stood out to me. Yeah, so I'll just flip through these real quick. Oh, I love that one with the succulents. That's really cute. Ooh, that one's nice too with the succulents. So yeah, I just like to use these in my junk journals. Oh, look at the gardening one. Oh, I love that one. I love that one. It looks like the floor. That one. And then this one kind of is a little bit wrinkly. Like this first page is kind of all wrinkled up. But that's okay because I don't really like that page anyway. So yeah, I'll flip through this one. I love the dream catcher. The mushrooms are so cute. Like a fairy garden, a fairy type journal. And I love that one. So cute. Summer fruits is kind of my thing. I've been doing that in my Happy Planner the last couple of weeks. There was another one in here that I really liked, but I think I might have just passed it, but that's okay. So yeah, there's a couple really cute ones in here. And then this one is a paint by numbers or colored by numbers. And this was the first one I saw, and I'm like, yes, I have to have that. Look how cute that is with all the pins and the inks and the scissors. And then there's another really cute one in here too. I'll show you. But look how cute this is. I love that one too with the kitchen. And then the fruits. Look at the fairy. Really cute. The strawberries. Love this one. And then there's one more in here I really like. It's the sewing one. Look how cute the sewing basket is. So cute. So yeah, I'm super excited about those. All right, and then there's a couple more things I bought. I got these little boxes, again, just for my little gift boxes. And then I bought this. I don't know why. I just thought it was cute. So, you know, sometimes I give themed gifts. So I thought this would be really cute if I gave like a summery type gift or, you know, something. I don't know. I just thought it was really cute, so I picked that up. Speaking of dream catchers, I bought this little dream catcher. I thought this would actually look kind of cute on a cover of a book. Maybe like a nature-y kind of book or boho kind of book. I don't know. I just picked that up. I liked it. It just spoke to me. I picked up another one of these because I can never have enough of these because I like to keep my little scrap pieces of ribbon and lace and stuff in these. And I had room in my drawer for one more. So I don't know what I'm going to do once that's filled because I don't have room in my drawer anymore. I found these mini tiny little detail scissors, and like I said before, I did not need more scissors, but I like these scissors, and I like them. They seem like they work really well. I like the hole seems big enough to kind of put your finger in. Sometimes those holes are kind of small with tiny scissors. Okay, and then I found the craft clips. I think these will work really great with junk journals. When I'm trying to put things together, I can clip them together instead of rubber banding them or paper clipping. I'm hoping that's how they're gonna work. So I think I thought these were 2 different sizes. I think there is a larger one, I think. And I thought I picked up the 2 different sizes, but maybe I'm just dreaming. And then I found these mini bottles, and I bought 2 of these. I don't know why, but I don't even know why I bought these, to be honest with you. I mean, I don't know, but I just did because they're an awesome deal. Like, it's real glass. And for Halloween, I did an apothecary, like, witch table. And I thought maybe they would look really cool. Like, just if I could dirty them up and kind of use them, just scatter them around the tables for Halloween. So we'll see if that happens. But yeah, so that is everything that I wanted to go over with you today. I did do a haul video yesterday of just some like household knickknacks and decorations and household fun goodies. So if you're interested in that, check that video out. The link will be at the end of this video. And then tomorrow I'm doing a massive sticker rub-on haul, some more crafter scare stuff. So if you're interested in checking that out, make sure that you subscribe and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.